Hi, I'm Charlie Vear. I'm a research analyst with the Medical College of Wisconsin. I work in the Institute for Health and Equity in our division of data analytics and informatics. We do a lot of data support for different programs in the Milwaukee area. I specifically help lead some of the violence work that we do. So we have a couple collaborative groups that we bring different partners together who are involved in the violence prevention space, and we provide data to those teams and try to inform the prevention efforts that they're doing. Um, so our kind of overarching mission of the Division of Data Analytics and Informatics at the Medical College of Wisconsin is to conduct research and evaluation to inform program and policy implementation in support of healthier and safer communities. So that was recently drafted. We've kind of had some shifts there too, which is kind of organization. So that's kind of a recently drafted mission. So figured I'd include that. And so, yeah, as I mentioned, one of the programs that we run there is the Violence Response Public Health and Safety Team. So it's public health and public safety folks. I work a lot with crime data and try to leverage that data for use in public health spaces. Yeah, it's a collaborative of multidisciplinary agencies, organizations who have some involvement in violence prevention. So we have partners from the police department, the fire departments, the health departments, various research. We're the kind of the research arm of it. So we do a lot of the data and that type of support. That's one of the programs that that I help assist with. So kind of just going back on how I became involved with MIPA. So in 2021, I became the data subcommittee chair. So I took over for Sarah Colbeck, who was recently the president of MIPA. So I know she's transitioning out of that role, but I took over for her when she transitioned into the role of president for MIPA. So been doing that since 2021. That's a small but mighty team. We have, some folks from all the states usually represented on that call. We just discussed different items related to data items that they've recently published, presented on. They can bring it to that group to share just different projects and get feedback on those projects from different states. So I think that's kind of where I started with MIPA. And then, so yeah, just what I enjoy about MIPA is just it's really nice to help connect, folks working across states. We don't oftentimes do that. You are, kind of limited to your kind of jurisdiction. So within your states, or for me, it's more specifically Milwaukee. So I know there's not a whole lot of opportunities for people to connect across these states, and there are very similar trends and themes that we see across Midwest states. So there's things that we can collaborate on, benefit from that collaboration. So I do find a benefit in that. And then it's also, yeah, just good to understand some of like the just different data systems that are existing at the state level, just to be more aware of those, and just kind of sharing some of those resources on kind of what's happening there and getting updates on that is helpful for I think all the people involved.